Well, my Christmas has arrived. I'd heard a lot of videos about the Amazon Squire being a pretty fair guitar for the price. So this is the official unboxing. I see it's got a few indicators here on the box, but let's see what we get. Okay, there's a second box in there. No, first there's padding. The neck protector. Looks like that's it. Okay, comes with the tremolo bar. It's got the correct hex wrenches and a little welcome booklet. Looks like you get scan for free gifts. It's the Fender guitar lesson app. Sounds like you get 30 days free with this purchase. Maybe more, I don't know. And it's a decent app. I've never paid for it. I've tried it out. I've had other students that had the Fender guitar app. But you know me, I'm pretty partial to musician. Okay. It's a decent looking Squire headstock. And it's got some more goodies here at the top. Tune before you play. That's always a good idea. Let's see if we can figure out what color they sent me. Oh, it's the tobacco sunburst. That is exactly what I ordered. I'm thankful to see they've got the string wrapping here. While in transit, that's a pretty helpful thing, I would say. And the strings are very loose, which is good when it's being shipped. It does have the free guitar app information, plastic cover on the pickups and the pick guard. The neck looks to be in good condition. It looks like it has about the right amount of relief on it. We'll know more when we tune it. But first we have to get the headstock cleared up so we can get to the keys. Sign up for access to Fender Tune, their online tuner. It is a beautiful satin finish. I don't know if you can tell that. It's not overly shiny or glossy, and it feels really good to touch. You do have a back plate that's easy to get to the strings. Okay. So far, I'm not seeing any damage. It does have the official Fender insignia on the back. Designed and backed by Fender. So, looking good. I hope that you're having a great Christmas. The retail price on this one on Amazon was $119.99. That's with the free Fender app usage for at least for about 30 days. I said maybe longer. So we're going to plug this in and check it out.